Here we are at Cearsws station level crossing in Powys with Joe on the level crossing channel. Oh, go on. Time now is 18:42 on Friday the 16th of February 2018. This is for your 18, you're slightly delayed 18:30, 1 Golf 65, Arriva Trains Wales service from Aberystwyth to Birmingham International expected past arrival 1844. If any of you are wondering why I didn't go to Llandovery and Llandrindod Wells today, it's because when we was at Llandovery, we still stopped there and we realised that there was nothing running tomorrow on this line, so we decided to flog it and go straight here, and or do this part of Wales today, and then do the rest of it tomorrow. We'll do the rest of the Swansea to Shrewsbury line tomorrow. So we're going to try and do a bit more. We're going to finish a bit of Wales and we're hopefully returning home Sunday. But yeah, we've got a busy day tomorrow as well. I'm not telling you where I'm going, but you'll see where I'm going. And also Dollau as well, Dolau. I'm presuming it's Dollau. I haven't translated it yet, but when I find out what it is, you'll hear how it's pronounced in the video. Coming in now. Or 58827. Or 58827 to Birmingham International.